Hello, my first graders. This is your social studies teacher, Miss Bazan. Today's lesson will revolve around the 4 cardinal directions and map skills. So the text I'm going to be covering today is text number 3, which is in regards to geography. The student understands the relative location of places. The student is expected to locate places using the 4 cardinal directions. After today's lesson, we'll be able to identify the 4 cardinal directions and apply the information using a map. We'll develop map skills by recognizing basic map symbols, including references to land, water, cities, and roads, and locate the direction of different landmarks and states. Now I want to play a guessing game with you guys. This image that you see here is a compass. Does anybody know what the letters N, E, S, and W stand for? I'll give you guys a quick hint. These are words that you hear when somebody is describing their location or when somebody is receiving directions. At this point, does anybody know what the letter N stands for? That is correct, north. What about the letter E? That is correct, east. And what about the letter S? That is correct, south. And finally, what does the letter W stand for? And that is correct, west. Good job, guys. Now the words we just discussed make up the 4 cardinal directions or cardinal points. They are the 4 main directions or points on the compass. Again, north, east, south, and west. These directions are also written in short form as N, E, S, and W, as we saw on the compass. And the direction words are found on maps, compasses, street signs, such as the image that I provided there for you on the lower right-hand side, and in many other places. The cardinal directions help people travel from place to place. Now, each cardinal direction has a special location. The north always points to the North Pole of the Earth, sometimes called the top of the world. The south points to the bottom of the Earth, or the South Pole. The east always points to the place where the sun rises in the morning, and the west always points to the place the sun sets in the evening. Now going back to the image that I showed you guys earlier, the compass rose. A compass rose is a figure on a map or a compass used to display the position of the cardinal directions. Now an easy way to remember the clockwise order of the directions on the compass rose is by using the phrase never eat soggy waffles. So remembering never eat soggy waffles, you will remember that north is first, and then east, and then south, and then finally west. Now what is a map and what is it used for? So I provided an image for you here on the right-hand side of the map of the world. A map is a picture or chart that shows rivers, mountains, streets, etc. in a certain area. Its main purpose is to show where things are. Most, if not all, maps come equipped with a map key. A map key uses symbols, colors, or lines to represent important places or landmarks on a map. For instance, this one right here on the lower left-hand side provides it with colors. So we're able to distinguish those important places or landmarks with the colors on this particular map. I want you guys to take a closer look of the map. We're going to locate where the USA is. Now we have the compass on the lower left-hand side here. So the USA is located in North America, which is north in the globe, and then, on the map. And then we have to the east of North America, the Atlantic Ocean, and to the west of it, the Pacific Ocean. And then to the south, we have South America. All right, students, so I'm going to be testing your knowledge. I have a few questions for you guys. The first one is, in what order are the cardinal directions labeled on a compass rose? Does anybody remember? We discussed it. That is correct, clockwise order. That is correct. Okay, and which ocean lies between North and South America on the west and Europe and Africa on the east? Do you guys remember that? That is correct, the Atlantic Ocean. And finally, which continent is immediately south of North America? Does anybody remember? That's correct, South America. Awesome, guys.